Hello guys, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today I am going to explain the facts of why I have not used white sugar and all-purpose flour in any of my baking and why not to include in your day-to-day life. Usage of these are literally an addiction. I prefer other healthy alternatives in my cooking. Every one of us are fond of cakes, ice creams and puff pastry. Are they really safe to eat? When done with healthy ingredients, we can have it guilt-free. All-purpose flour is heavily processed. Processed foods are hard to digest. That's because it contains many additives to keep the products palatable and for more shelf life. And what about the dinner plans on Saturday? Yes, it's obvious that most of us would go for pizza. It has low fiber, high levels of trans fat, which increases your bad cholesterol. Pizzas are often accompanied by soft drinks, which are again full of additives and sugar base. Sneaking in processed food once in a while is perfectly okay. It contains unhealthy levels of added sugar, sodium, and fat. These ingredients make the food we eat taste better, but too much of them leads to serious health issues. Kids, do as you do. Be a role model and eat healthy yourself. When trying to teach good eating habits, try to set the best example possible. Choose nutritious snacks. Eat at the table and do not skip meals. Often sugar is accompanied by fat. We like cakes, ice creams, or even our regular milkshakes, and many of us call it as a dessert along with meals. Ice cream can add a lot of extra calories to your meal, which can be hard to digest, which leads to high blood sugar and results in diabetes. Whereas natural sweeteners are the best compared to white sugar and other processed food. Consume homemade foods as far as possible because often commercial foods have more additives and white sugar. Some of the best natural sweeteners include honey. Honey is one of the best natural sweetener in its pure form. Honey has some nutrients and lower in glycemic index. Smaller amount of honey is needed due to its sweetness. Enjoy it in moderation as a sugar substitute. Maple syrup. We enjoy maple syrup with pancakes. Choose the best flour for your pancakes and the right fruit along with it and you are good to go. Molasses. Molasses is a byproduct in the sugar making process. It undergoes multiple refining and we get 3 types of molasses in each refining step. Dates. Dates is another healthy alternative for sugar. It has natural sweetener in it and it has numerous nutrients and benefits. Jaggery. Jaggery is nothing but concentrated sugarcane syrup. It is then formed into a huge mass. Palm candy or palm jaggery. It is obtained from palm tree. Palm candy is crystalline version and jaggery is powdered version. Coconut sugar. It has numerous nutrients in it as it is obtained from the coconut sapling. Now you could think, what is the difference between jaggery and molasses as they both are obtained from sugarcane? But molasses is a byproduct in the sugar refining process, but jaggery is nothing but concentrated sugarcane. What about brown sugar? They are nothing but molasses mixed with white sugar. This is also unhealthy. I'm not going to talk about 0-calorie sweeteners in this video. I will make a separate video for those sweeteners. Like sugar, we have other healthy alternatives for all-purpose flour too. They include whole wheat flour, almond flour, coconut flour, spelt flour which are not processed heavily. Perfect for baking too. Traditional foods are the best. They have calories, nutrients which can be absorbed by the body easily just like fruits. Thus, heavier the processing, heavier for the stomach to digest. This applies to all the food items. Try to eat less processed foods made at home and indulge our kids, the future generation, to healthy eating habits. Fruits are the best snack ever, perfectly packed with nutrients and keep us light compared to processed foods. But when added with sugar, blood sugar levels spike once consumed. Avoid adding sugar to fruits and enjoy the natural delicacies. You can even add them to your cakes for colorful, appealing look. Kids love to try it out. Do not give up on millets and natural sweeteners. Millets are packed with proteins, antioxidants, and nutrients. Check out my guilt free recipes for healthy junk foods which you can try for your kids. Stay safe and stay tuned for more amazing recipes. Thank you.